Hi there, in this video I want to give you an update what's happening on this YouTube channel, David Walsh Online, over the coming months and how it's going to help you with growing your YouTube channel, developing your business with YouTube, or developing YouTube as a business. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, which you already knew. So what I wanted to do in this video is give you an update, tell you what's happening over the next couple of months and how it's going to help you grow your YouTube channel, whether that is for your business or whether you want YouTube to be your business. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to double, that's right, double the number of videos we're going to be putting out per week. So we're going to go out twice per week and we're going to have another theme or another stream of content on this channel which will help you grow your business with YouTube or grow YouTube as your business. So they're going to be business related tips. They're going to be part YouTube, part other stuff, whether that's social media, whether that's branding or stuff like that. All the elements that you need to help to grow your business or help to grow YouTube as a business. The second thing that we're doing is we're going to be doing some YouTube lives. So you, yes, you will be getting the opportunity to talk to me directly on the live and get your questions answered. So we'll be doing them once a month to begin with, so you get the opportunity to post your question if you're not available to be on the live itself, or you can get on the live and get your question answered there. The other thing that I'm going to be doing is the occasional live. So this will not necessarily be a YouTube live specifically for Ask Me Any Questions, but it'll be just a fun one where I'm going to just hop on and see who's around, and then we'll possibly have a couple of shout outs on the channel for those subscribers, and yes, you have to be a subscriber, who are commenting on a regular basis, preferably every week, who are there watching the videos, taking in the training, and then using that on their channels to help grow their channels, whether that is for business or whether that is for YouTube as their business. So we will also have some other surprises on this channel over the next couple of months, but those are the top 3 that we're going to have over the next couple of months. So next month we will start with implementing them. So if you do happen to see a live come up for me, it's probably one of the spontaneous ones. So make sure to hop on there and get your shout out. I will notify you in advance of the Ask Me Anything lives, and we will have the second theme or stream of videos going out towards the end of next month. Those are the updates on the channel. Let me know what you would like to see on this channel. Let me know in the old comments area below. And what would you like me to cover on the lives where you get to ask me whatever you want to help grow your YouTube channel. Again, let me know in the old comments area below. I'd love to know what you would like to see on this channel to help you grow. So if you've stumbled across this video and you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere around this area here and watch one of these fine videos to get more tips and tricks to help you grow your YouTube channel.